get this far. After all I've been through, still you hold my heart.
Listen, the Shoebox Appeal is coming up because we're all approaching Christmas. The other day it was literally 100 days till Christmas, so the countdown has already begun. This is a great opportunity where you can get involved to be generous. Yes, you can be generous with your spending habits intentionally over the next coming month. So if you're in Home Bargains and you want to fill up a shoebox, why not grab a leaflet from our foyer to get all the info of what things you could put in a shoebox for a little child in another country at Christmas. Let's make their Christmas special this year by giving them a box full of gifts and things and toiletries and things that they need this Christmas. So when you're in Home Bargains, B&M, you know, all those places, take one of these and have a look at what you can buy to help change a child's Christmas this year.
Thought that I'd be fine, chasing all the things that left me dead inside.
On the 10th of October, we're going to be having our Harvest Festival service here at church at 11 a.m. So why not join us for that service where you can bring and donate tinned or packaged food for those in need with our food bank and partners. So make sure you bring your food on the 10th of October. It's only a few weeks away, guys. And make sure that you join us for that service at 11 a.m. in the morning.
This is the good life. Never look back when I tried it for.
Strength Will Rise is happening next year in June, and we're so excited for the whole church to be back together all in one place for a whole weekend. How exciting. So make sure that you've booked in, if you haven't already, for the church weekend away in 2022. And if you want to find out more information of how you can do it and when it's happening, then just head to our website xlchurch.org.uk. It's going to be a great one, guys, so don't miss out. Ladies, this one's for you. Don't forget, this Saturday, yep, I said it, this Saturday, the Devoted Conference is happening right here at church. Can you believe it? We've got to the day where it's happening. It's happening. Look, it's here. It's upon us. So make sure that you head to the website or get to the foyer today to get your tickets. Get it today, okay? Don't miss out. It's happening this Saturday, and we're so excited to be back together as women at church, learning about God and just getting together to encourage one another. So make sure you get your ticket today. And we're also going to be joined by Jo Hargreaves on that Saturday, who will be doing some talks, and she'll be joining us next Sunday morning as well in our morning service to preach. So guys, you don't want to miss out. Get your tickets today.
Never look back when I tried it for a day in my own life. Never look back 'cause I know that you are all.
So that's all for XL News this week, but make sure that you join us this Wednesday for our Leadership Development Night, which is happening at 7:30. So you can join us here in the building, but make sure that you sign up online first, guys. And that's it. So if you want any more information, then just head to our website, www.xlchurch.org.uk, or get us on social media, and have a great week.